What's up, guys? So I posted up a picture of the 1977 Bronco that we have in the shop last week and got an outrageous amount of interest to see some more on this truck. So without further ado, here you go. Right, so the stats on this, it's a 1977 Ford Bronco, very, very beautiful specimen. Dark, midnight blue paint, I don't know if that's the exact term, but that's what I want to call it. Probably about an 8-inch lift kit, 37-inch Goodyear MTs on 15-inch wheels, again, kind of a modest wheel, but suits the truck nicely. Set up for summer driving, we got no back cab, we've got no hard top, just a bimini top. The door deletes, these are a fiberglass insert that delete the latch and hinges and kind of clean the vehicle up nicely there, right? If you're not going to be rocking any doors. Nice bolstered interior seats, kind of a stock style rear seat. Interior wise, we've got Dakota digital gauges, Bluetooth stereo, one of those retro sound, they're kind of period correct looking stereos, but you get all the modern day functions of Bluetooth and hands-free calling and all that good stuff. Under the hood, we've got a 302 5-liter carbureted Edelbrock carb, and then behind that's a C4 automatic transmission. Now what this truck's come into the shop for is kind of odds and ends and or just tying up loose ends. So it has the exhaust dumped right behind the driver's and passenger seats, just dumps right here, which is not ideal. You know, you're sitting at a street light and this thing's just smoking exhaust up through the wheel wells and into the cab. You're kind of smoking yourself out. So we're gonna run the exhaust out the back for them. We got a license plate light to put on it. The truck doesn't quite run 100%. So when I first got it in here, I set the timing on it because it was kind of running on when you went to shut it off and stuff. So I thought I'll check the timing quick. And lo and behold, it was really, really low. It was like 8 degrees. I'm gonna go through the carburetor and get that set properly because I think the carb's not set up perfect. And then kind of get a baseline for what we're dealing with, because this package isn't a terrible package, right? Little 5-liter in this truck, like, should go all right. But it is a little bit, like I say, I think it's just more setup than anything. Now, one of the recommendations I had given to the client was we should maybe look at swapping the gears out in it. I don't know what gear ratios in the rear of this, but with the 37-inch tall tire, that C4 transmission, we live in pretty hilly country. The client had said that this thing tends to hunt for gears, or it's always in between gears. So I got a funny feeling that there's probably a pretty tall gear in the back end of this. You combine that with a huge mud tire and it's just kind of a recipe for disaster. The client has talked about maybe coyote swapping this at some point, so that would be a really, really cool program to get involved with. Now, like I say, I think we can probably really surprise them with just having this set up right and probably a new gear ratio on the back and make this a really, really fun cruiser. But overall, it is a stunning example of a 77 Bronco. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for the Bronco review, at least in its current format. I thought I'd just give you a quick little overview of the truck and what we're going to be doing to it. But I'm going to stay working on it. It'll maybe pop up in some of my future videos, as we should have it in here for at least a week or so. Anyway, and then weather permitting, take it out for a test drive. Maybe I'll bring you guys along and show you what the ride along in the Bronco is all about. But if you got any questions or comments on this truck, guys, or any of my other videos for that matter, by all means, please feel free, hit me up, okay? And I hope you guys found this informative, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.